Hi Cancer, these are your general collective messages from January 2022 to June 2022. These are general and collective, so please take what resonates, leave what doesn't. If you feel like this reading does not apply to you or it's not resonating with you, it's probably not your message at this time, so please don't force it to resonate. Okay, so we'll get one theme which will be either in and out or will be there throughout over the next 6 months. We'll look at one thing you want to actively work on. Then we look at oracles to see your energy over the next 6 months, what blessings you will have, what you might potentially struggle with, and then eventually how potentially you might close towards June 2022. Okay, so let's get started with one theme for Cancer from Jan 2022 to June 2022. Okay, two fell out, I'll read both. Wall and glove. Okay, so I feel like putting up boundaries, Cancer, where they're required, is going to be a theme for you guys. Okay, overcoming obstacles as well, right? Also, I feel like, if you're putting up boundaries, it's great to put up healthy boundaries. It's great to be, to ensure that you're protected. Uh, to ensure that people don't take advantage of you. It's great to do that, but if you're doing it unnecessarily out of past hurts or past disappointments, then just be mindful of that as well. Okay, Cancer. And with glove, I feel like either you're going to be very focused on money or status for yourself. So either you could see a wind flow of money coming in, or you could just see a rise in your status. On the other hand, for some of you, you may just be getting very tired of being complacent in your life, just being stuck in the same place for many, many years in your life, and you may want to move out of that. Okay, so just take care of that. Take care that you don't become complacent, Cancer, especially in terms of closing off people. Okay, when you close yourself off of people, you also close yourself off of experiences, and then when you are not having any new experiences, you are essentially becoming complacent, because then it's the same things repeating themselves, or same experiences repeating themselves, and therefore there is very little room for growth then. Okay, so just be mindful of those few things over the next 6 months, Cancer. Okay, let's look at one thing you want to actively work on. Three fell out. Should I read? I'm going to shuffle again. Communication, number 9. So 9 could be a significant number for you. You want to work on your communication. So beautiful with wall and with glove as well. Okay, so practice on practice on exhibiting or embodying authentic communication, Cancer, over the next 6 months. Okay, ask for your needs, ask for what you want, you will get that. If you don't communicate, you will never get, right? Communicate. If you are putting up boundaries, if you feel the need to protect yourself, communicate that to the people who matter to you. They'll understand. All right, if you're feeling complacent in your life, if you're feeling like you're stuck, stagnated, or there's just no growth, communicate that. Key is communication. You need to work on communication over the next 6 months, Cancer. Also, at the same time, be open to listening to others. Okay, communication is a two-way process, so as much as we speak, we should also be willing to listen. So work on both. All right, let's look at your energy over the next 6 months. Two fell out. I will read both. Okay, you've got yin and truth be told. Okay, so your energy is, you're in a more feminine energy over the next 6 months, Cancer. Either you're looking for truth to be told to you, or you're waiting to tell the truth to people. I don't know, take it as it applies. Nonetheless, truth is going to be told either from your end or from somebody else's end, right? Yeah. Also with communication and truth. Maybe this is about you. Maybe you need to be upfront, transparent, honest. Okay, take the help of your feminine energy. Take the help. Although you're in this feminine energy of receptivity, of passivity, of going with the flow, of being creative, etc. Don't let that make you complacent. Okay, because always you can't be waiting for things to fall into your lap. Sometimes you have to go after the things you want, and you have to communicate that. You have to communicate the truth that you want in your life. Okay, so this is your energy. As much as you want the truth to be told and for you to speak the truth to others, it's equally important that you communicate that and you get out of always being in a state of reception. Sometimes you have to chase, sometimes you have to go after what you want. Okay, Cancer? Let's look at what blessings you may have. Clean it up. A lot of people are getting this as a blessing as well. Lovely blessing to have. Anything that needs to get cleaned up, whether it's your home, whether it's your environment, whether it's your workplace, whether it's your relationships, your connections, your mind, your thoughts, your emotions, baggage that you're carrying, you're being blessed with the ability to be able to clean it up so you can have a fresh new slate, fresh clean slate to start again, to begin again. Okay, Cancer, beautiful blessing to get. So you'll know, especially if you communicate, you'll know what needs to get cleared out. You'll know where is the clutter in your life so that you can clear it out. But you have to communicate for that, okay, because the blessing is there. All right, let's look at one thing you might struggle with. Loyal heart. Okay, you may struggle to see loyalties in people. You may struggle to trust people. You may struggle to experience innocence, purity of connections. You may struggle with that, Cancer, over the next 6 months. Okay, either that, or you may struggle because you may feel like there is just nobody who is loyal at all to you. Or if you reverse it, you may struggle with being loyal to somebody or to people in your life or to connections in your life or even to yourself, to your commitments that you make to yourself. So again, take it as it applies. The need for you is to be honest, Cancer, A, with yourself, B, with others, and invite others also to be honest and transparent with you. Okay, that will help you to clean things up. That will also help you to look through where loyalty is lacking, either from your end or somebody else's end, and where loyalty is present either from your end or from somebody else's end. Okay, so it looks like this is going to be a struggle for you guys. All right, let's look at how you might close June 2022. What is going on? Okay, I'm giving it one last shuffle. To be fair, so whatever, if there is any imbalance in your life, Cancer, especially regards to loyalties, especially regards to allegiances, especially regards to people being true to you or you being true to them, reverse it as it applies. I think the scales are going to get balanced. I think that the situation will balance itself out towards June 2022. All right. All you need to do is you need to communicate, and communicate with authenticity, purity, innocence, integrity. Don't communicate to manipulate. Communicate to solve, okay, or to build or collaborate, right? Remember that. Okay, let's get clarifiers. 10 of Cups, beautiful energy for beneath your yin and truth be told. You stay in a state of emotional balance, Cancer. You want to also be in a state, this is your energy, so you also want to be in a state of emotional balance. You want to experience emotional fulfillment. You want that. And for that, truth is necessary. Okay? And for that, you are being patient, you're being, uh, nurturing, you're being nourishing, you're being, loving, etc. So that's great. It's great to be all of this. But wherever it's required for you to communicate your needs, your wants, please do that. Wherever it's required for you to speak the truth, please do that. And wherever it is required for you to ask somebody else to speak the truth, please do that, because that will help you also to achieve this state of emotional fulfillment. Okay? King of Pentacles, blessing. Okay, so I think just being more secure, more stable in the process of decluttering, okay, being more grounded as well. So sometimes decluttering or cleaning up things can shake us up, especially if that means letting go of old things or letting go of things that no longer serve us, people, situations, things, possessions, thought patterns, habits, etc. When we're in the process of cleaning up things, it can become a little bit emotionally up and down for us sometimes. All right, but you're being blessed with being able to stay grounded through this process as well. Okay, you're being blessed with being stable throughout this process, also experiencing abundance coming in. Okay, through this, when you get done with the old, when you get done with things that have run its course, you make energy, you make room for new things to come into your life. Okay, so that's the blessing that you have. Okay, use it to your advantage. Page of Cups, under your loyal heart. So you will probably struggle with this, seeing that somebody could have pure intentions. You might struggle with this. You might struggle with somebody's with people, or rather with people's pure intentions for you or clear intentions for you. Okay, you might question that because it's come under struggle, so therefore you might question that. Okay, on the other hand, for those of you who this applies to, you may struggle in terms of a love connection, or in terms of connection which is emotional for you. You may struggle with staying loyal to that connection. If you've been loyal for all this while, you may struggle with being loyal to that connection as well. So take it as it applies. Either ways, communicate. Okay, you are free to make your choice. Communicate. Okay, nine of swords under your to be fair. So something, it might cause you anxiety towards June 2022, Cancer. I'm sorry. Uh, You might feel a little anxious about, some injustice, or some scale not being balanced, or whether it's been balanced but maybe not so much in your favor. So take that as it applies, but you might feel experience some anxiety over there. Sorry, it's the 10 of sorry, it's not the 9 of swords, it's the 10 of swords. So, oh wow, completions, which will then result to new beginnings, especially heart related, emotional related. Okay, great. So this is good then. Okay, so completions are going to be happening. The scales will be balanced. It may make you feel drained, but don't worry, because it will work in your favor. You will have the opportunity to begin again, for a fresh start. Yeah, nice. Okay, let's get one blessing. Okay, I'm giving it one last shuffle. Surya, the sun god. Beautiful blessing. Honor, status, and fame. You got status now twice. Reunion with one's beloved. So if you are experiencing disconnect with somebody being loyal to you, or you being loyal to somebody else, allow the scales to get balanced. Allow endings to take place so that something new can start. Freedom from disease and ailments, and general vitality, respect, and power. Lovely blessings to have also, Cancer. Okay, nice 6 months. I think internally maybe there'll be some things that you will do to yourself. The key is communication. The key is working on healthy boundaries. If you keep that in mind, I think you should be okay. Don't question people too much. Don't question people's intentions too much. Go with your intuition, go with your flow. Speak truth from your end at least, and invite others to do the same. And I think you should be all right. Okay, so I hope that this helped you guys. Cancer, that's from Jan 2022 to June 2022. You guys have a great new year, and I will see you guys next year.